Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here.
Only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on them. I go crazy.
I'm going to prime my eyes. I did one eye off camera already, and I did my brows off camera. I used the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil and neutral brown and my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. To prime my eyes, I'm just using my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation and natural ivory. I'm just going to apply that to my finger. Okay, now I'm going in with this Profusion Ultra Chic eyeshadow palette. I'm going with the blush in this palette, and it's called So In Love. And I'm just going to start putting that in my crease using this WetNWild large eyeshadow brush. And now I'm going in with my Perfect 23 color eyeshadow palette. Going in with this shade right here to darken up that crease. And now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to use that same foundation to cut my crease because I don't feel like getting concealer right now. I'm going to use this flat concealer brush too. To set that foundation, concealer, whatever it's technically foundation. To set that, I'm going to use this Nice Face Stereo Brighten highlight powder and O2, just like a loose highlighter. Oh yeah, I'm using this flat brush with it too. I think it's the WetNWild concealer brush. And now I'm going to take that same concealer brush I used to cut my crease, and I'm going to take some of that foundation again, and I'm going to make a line just like I did on this eye. I made a line from here to here. I'm going to do that with the concealer right now, so I know where to apply the eyeshadow. Invincible. Going with that same Profusion Ultra Chic palette, I'm going to go in with the same pink shade, and I'm going to take this WetNWild Smoky Liner brush, I think that's what it's called, or something like that, just this little brush here. I'm going to place that pink right at the end, as close as I can get it to that line. For the next shade to make that ombre effect, I'm using again this Perfect 23 matte eye color eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade right here. I'm going to place that right here with this pencil brush, blending it with that lighter pink. And now for the last shade, put right next to that pink, a fuchsia pink kind of color. I'm going to use this cool toned purple and place that right next to that shade. And now I'm going in with these glitter eyeliners, this gold one and this silver one. I got it off of AliExpress. They're like $1 a piece. So, yeah. And I'm first going in with the gold one. And I'm going to draw a line right across right there. And now I'm going in with that silver glitter and just putting that right on top of that gold glitter. Okay, now I've got to clean that up right there. So using the foundation again, because I'm using foundation for everything. And again, that same concealer brush. And just going to clean that up right there. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, yeah, I'm gonna mix these two highlighters. I'm using this Hard Candy Just Glow Rose Gold highlighter and this WetNWild Megaglo highlighting powder and Blossom Glow. I'm gonna do my base off camera and I'll be right back. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline The Racket Volume Express mascara. For my lower lash line, going in again with this same palette, the 23 color one. I'm gonna use this shade right here. For eyeliner, I'm just gonna try this out. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I'm just trying it out. I'm using this Italia Deluxe Ultra Fine Eyeliner in Neon Blue. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes now. To set my face, I'm going to be using this Kleancolor Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this WetNWild Megalast liquid lipstick and Berry Recognize. For eyelashes, I'm using these Kiss Triple Push-Up Something Couture eyelashes and Corset. And for eyelash glue, I'm using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you'll be notified when I post a video. And comment down below any suggestions you guys have for me for another video. Follow me on all my social medias. I don't have a lot, but also follow me on Hush, because that's where I mostly post, is on Hush, because Hush now got this like thing. It's kind of like Instagram, but just like where everybody posts makeup. So follow me on Hush. I will leave my username in the description below. I love you guys. Bye.
Yeah.